right, so I thought this was just an easy way to play this tune. You're going to need a capo on 2, and if you don't have a capo, I have a link to a pretty cheap one down in my description, so check that out. So we're going to need to use some finger picking. You could probably play this with a pick too. If you don't want to use your fingers, that's totally fine. You can just play each of the strings that I'm talking about in whatever order I'm talking about them. So that didn't make any sense. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to start, again, capo on 2. You're going to play an E minor shape. So you're going to set your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A, middle finger on 2nd fret of the D. And what I'm doing is I'm plucking thumb on E, thumb on A, index finger on D, and middle finger on G. So if you're playing with a pick, you could just pluck all 4 of those. So thumb, thumb, index, middle, and then mute it maybe with the side of your hand right after. Kind of just gives it a little bit of a pizzicato, staccato feel. All right, this next chord looks like a bar chord, but it's not. You're just going to start with your index finger 2nd fret of the A, ring finger 4th fret of the D, pinky 4th fret of the G, and then middle finger 3rd fret of the B. So now you're going to pluck A, D, G, B. So thumb, thumb, index, middle. All right. All right, now we're going to go to an A7 shape. A minor 7 shape. So index finger 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of D, and you're going to pluck thumb, thumb, index, middle, A, D, G, B. All right, then you're going to do it again, but when you get to the B, you let your index finger off. You pluck, hammer, pull. So pluck, hammer, 1st fret, pull. All right. Then you're going to go through it again, but this time you got a different 3rd chord. So we're going to stay with the E minor. Then you go to that B minor shape. But now we're going to go to a C shape. So index finger sets down 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of D, which is actually the same as the A minor 7. And then ring finger is going to set down here on 3rd fret of the A. And this is the one where it's a little different. It goes. So I'm going thumb on A, then I'm going index to G, middle to B, ring to high E. All right. Then we go to our A minor 7, and then that's back to the same plucking pattern we used on it before. Thumb on A, thumb on D, index on G, middle finger plucks B. You do the hammer pull on 1st fret. So here's what we got all together. All right, so I hope that was helpful for you. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.